So good morning everyone. So today we are on capital urbanisation on the Costa Clida in the Murcia region. We have a lovely Rosa style property to show you. It has a pedestrian gate into the garden and it has off-road parking. So let me take you around this beautiful home. So once inside this home, I'm going to take you around and we'll have a look at the underbuild first, because they have an underbuild which makes a great workroom. So it's all laid for shale and low maintenance garden. You have a driveway here for at least 2 cars. And just in here is your underbuild. So you have got an opening here, and that's for under the pipework, so the waterboard or whatever needs to get at any leaks or anything, so that's really handy, and that's in all underbuilds on Campsol. You've also got your switches here. Okay, so let's go around. So I've just come out of the underbuild and I am going to show you the house itself. So we have to go up a few steps here, and that leads up onto the terrace. So this is the terrace. It's nice and open, partly covered up with spotlights. It also has lights that go on and off at night, like security lights. Nice area to sit, and the views of the mountains across the valley are lovely as well. So as you can see, the windows have recess and blackout blinds, and we're going in through to the main property. As we come in, we're into the living room. It has got a log burner and it's beautifully done, very well maintained property. And as you can see up there, you have your aircon. So I'm going to pan around in the room here. You can see you've got dual aspect windows and you've got a dining area just off the kitchen. This sits 4 people. And of course you have the archway to the kitchen there as well. You could take that out and bring the kitchen around if you wanted. Maybe put patio doors there, open up onto the terrace and block this in and make the living room a little bit bigger if you wanted to do so. But it's just as nice the way it is. Okay, so just here you have the kitchen. So the kitchen here is fully functional. You got top and base units. You got integrated oven and hob and hood extractor. Got granite worktops and sink. And you got your fridge freezer. You've also got your archway there where you can hand over your food at meal times. So I'm going to take you out and we'll go up here. Now just in here is the guest room. So the guest room has plenty of plugs and sockets. It's also got insect screens, blackout blinds and recess on the windows. You've got your aircon. Views of the garden, and just here you've got integrated overhead storage and double wardrobe. Now straight across is a guest shower room. Now in most Rosas you do have your washing machine placed in the Rosas. You have a semi-frosted and frosted glass window there. You have your shower with your rain head shower unit in there. Your WC and your sink and pedestal and a mirror. All fully tiled. Just in here is the ensuite bedroom. Really large bedroom with a door opening onto the garden. You have your aircon there. Just behind this door here, you have your overhead storage and double wardrobe integrated. And just in this door here, you have your ensuite shower room. Now it's a really nice shower room. It's got the black shower unit in it, clear screen shower, your sink and vanity, and your WC at the other end. And you've got a towel rail just there, an electric one. Okay. So just here, I'm going to take you out of this bedroom and we're going to have a look around the garden. Just give you a whiz around, back around. And as you can see where you are. There is a large gate on here if you want, but just there, that is the driveway. So this is the outside space. You have a lovely area to do a barbecue and prep area there. And you've got plenty of storage. You've got the pool pump there. And you have this fabulous pool. You also have a lovely area where you can just lounge and enjoy the sunshine. I'll take you up here. You've got plenty of sockets in the walls. And this is a lovely area just to have some outside dining just here. And look over that pool and those beautiful mountains beyond. You also have a shower unit just there in the corner. And of course just here is the gate to the outside. We go back down. We're at the side of the property now. You have a gas boiler just there. That's where it's kept. Understairs storage there. And that's about the width of the staircase. Okay, so I'm going to take you upstairs and we're going to have a look at the rooftop solarium. So I'm going to go back up and I see you at the very top, guys. So guys, we have wonderful views from the rooftop solarium of the mountain views over there. And this is a lovely large rooftop solarium. It has an area there that you could reform into a third bedroom. Some people have done that. Or just use that wall to show films at night. Because there's a lovely cold breeze flows through here in the evening. You know, and you could got a plug over there, you could put a fridge with your beers. And you have some more storage there, just for your suitcases or your loungers. So let's go back downstairs. We'll have a chat. So guys, what do you think of this property? It's absolutely lovely. You've got some stunning views from the top rooftop solarium up there. You have a lovely underbuild for a workroom or a craft room you could use it for. And this is a beautifully done out, pristine Rosa. It's key ready and it's absolutely stunning. So if you're interested in this property, do contact Dawn, info@tolettoseltobuy.com. She's the agent for this property, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe so you always get notifications of any other villas that we have on this channel. Okay, so take care. Bye bye.